Kitchen tools that even non-meat eaters should have be 3 items that will make you want to buy them. Number 10. For those with a gas stove at home, this oil-resistant cover is a must-have. It is suitable for all types of gas stoves and prevents oil and water from splattering. Number 9. If I didn't tell you. Could you tell that this was a dishwashing tool when I received it? I thought the seller had sent me the wrong item. It's so thin, but when it comes into contact with water, it transforms into a powerful cleaning tool. Number 8. This versatile item can be used in many ways. It can be used as a cutting board when placed upright, as a food cover when placed upside down, and as a fruit tray. It has protruding edges that make it easy to stack and carry. Number 7. Every home should have a rotating knife holder like this. It is designed to hold various utensils such as spoons, chopsticks, and spatulas. Number 6. These 3 small items are incredibly useful for picking up dishes. The egg steamer bowl can be picked up with the bowl picker, which is made of non-slip silicone material. Number 5. This unnamed item is a fantastic cutting board that is easy to clean and does not get moldy. It is made of high polymer fiber and is both durable and easy to clean. Number 4. This small rack is a must-have in the kitchen. It can hold hot pots, pans, and even woks, preventing the kitchen countertop from being burned or scarred. It is versatile and practical. Number 3. This oil-absorbing cotton for range hoods is a must-have for anyone living in the city. And even people in rural areas are using it now. It fits perfectly into the range hood slot and prevents oil leaks. Number 2. This garbage bin is designed to be the same height as the kitchen counter, making it easy to clean up leftover food. The bottom has 4 wheels, making it easy to move around. Number 1. This small item is a replacement for a broken pot lid. The handle is made of silicone material that doesn't get hot. Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Best Buy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.